The power of soap, everyday cleaner.
Soap is an essential part of daily hygiene, but what makes it so effective? The answer lies in chemistry. Soap molecules have a special structure that allows them to attack dirt, grease, and germs, breaking them apart and lifting them away from skin and surfaces with just a rinse.
How soap molecules work.
Each soap molecule has a dual nature. One end is attracted to water, while the other is attracted to oils and grease. When soap mixes with water, its molecules surround greasy dirt, forming structures called micelles. This action traps the dirt and allows it to be rinsed away, leaving things clean.
Breaking down germs and viruses.
Soap doesn't just remove dirt, it also destroys many types of germs and viruses. The oily membrane that surrounds many germs is broken apart by soap molecules. Once this protective layer is disrupted, the germs lose their ability to function and are washed away.
Why water alone isn't enough.
Water by itself can't remove oily substances or many harmful microbes. Oil and grease repel water, so they cling to surfaces. Soap acts as a bridge, binding to both oil and water. This unique combination makes it possible to remove stubborn residue and keep hands and objects truly clean.
Soap's everyday impact.
Using soap is a simple, powerful way to protect health. From dishes to hands, soap's chemistry helps prevent the spread of illness and keeps our environment cleaner. Next time you wash, remember, each bubble is a tiny tool fighting dirt and germs with science.